Diamond platinum.
Yeah.
And Morgan Heritage.
Pull to be conscious.
For all ladies. Yeah.
Atakilala na nyota, najitambara mwezi kisa na nyota. Ani mkande amechoka, nitembe na ulimi kote kanyoka. Mapenzi niongeze, kabari niogele. Lord have mercy, speaking from her hurt time, she's so sexy. Mama give me blessings, I wanna off the lights so I can speak dirty. And she says she wants some more, harder than I can for before. The way she dancing, oh, touch me, that's what she makes me say hallelujah. Yes, she makes me say hallelujah. She makes me say hallelujah. Oh, she hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Peter.
From on top of it. And she's got this thing that makes me wanna give her everything I
Give
got.
it to her.
The way she move them hips when she walking, like Shakira, them hips don't lie.
Yeah.
And when she hit the dance floor, it's amazing. She sets the place so fire.
Power.
The way she rock it and I brace it, hold it one place and I shake it. Have every lion anticipating who she's gonna let embrace it. Then I roll up and show them I'm on control.
Arriba.
Just look what she hold me.
Yeah.
Everything about my baby makes me say
Hallelujah.
hallelujah.
Yes, she makes me say
Hallelujah. Yes.
Hallelujah.
she makes me say
Hallelujah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nice, man.
hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Yeah.
This one goes to all bad girls, my cocos. My cocos. The one can rock out and not me, I call them popo. Call them popo. I wanna know what turns you on, so I can be all that I want. Lord have mercy, speaking from her heart time, she's so sexy, oh yeah. Mama give me blessings, I wanna off the lights so I can speak dirty. And she says she wants some more, harder than I can for before.